Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about correct way to make select drop down as selected. So first let me show you what I'm gonna do in my custom plugin. So this is my local WordPress site and this is my custom plugin. So if you don't know how to create custom plugin, I would suggest to go to the link given in the description section and come back over here. So everything I'm going to show you using this plugin. So before jumping into the code, what I'm gonna do is I have created this admin menu page, and in that I have added the field. So I'm gonna add one more field which will be a select type, and we will add some options into that select drop down. So if you don't know how to add fields for admin menu, then I would suggest to watch this video first and then come back again on this video. I will provide this link into the description section. Now let's jump into the code. So I'm gonna open my custom plugins file. So admin.php. So this is my custom plugin inside WP content plugins. My plugin include admin.php. So here I already added one field. So now let's add another field called BWP select. BWP select. Let's provide books drop down. So we have books post type, so we will be adding a drop down for books. So I'm gonna call it and let's add the callback. So in this callback, whatever field we want to display, it will be displayed. So let's try to display select. And let's see if field started displaying or not. So our field started displaying. Now let's add option inside this select box. So for that we will use WP query. And we will change the post type to book, and here let's remove some unnecessary stuff. And let's give the value same as title. And now let's see what happens. So now we have options under the select, and now let's try to save this and let's select this book. And now let's see if our value is stored or not. So value will be stored inside the option table. So let's try to echo the value, and value will be stored in this option. It should be stored. Let's try to check. Oh, sorry, we have to give the name like this. Forgot. Let's try to resave it. Let's check the options table. I gave a wrong name. Let's try to search that option name. Option value is blank. Let's see what value we gave inside the options tag. So it is giving us a blank value. Not sure why. Let's try to store another. Okay, yeah, somehow it was not storing correctly, but yeah, now we are getting, yeah, because it I gave a wrong name over here. Now I corrected that, so now our value is storing into the database. So here we get Ram Setu as a value, so it should be now selected into this select box. So in traditional way, what we would do is we add condition like if title equal to this value, then selected, otherwise blank, and this we would use over here. So now our value is selected, but WordPress has the function for that. So instead of doing this, we have to use that function. So how to use that function? So let me make comment this and let me show you the function. So this is the function called selected, and it accepts two value. One is compare and another one is compare with value. So it doesn't matter the order, you have to provide both comparing value. And third one is the whether to echo or not. Default it is echo, so I'm gonna use that, and let me make this echo false because we are echoing the statement, and value 1 would be the title in the loop, and second value will be value from the database. So it will work same as this condition but in a WordPress way. So now if I refresh this, still Ram Setu will be selected. Let's try to select Israel, save it, and now Israel is selected. So this is how selected function works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.